Hello darlings! For today's video, I'll be unboxing and trying on products from February's Boxycharm. This month's theme is Be My Glamentine. Let's see what's inside. We have the Saturday Skin Yuzu Vitamin C Bright Eye Serum, Yensa Tone Up Essential Glow Primer, Alleyoop Multitasker 4-in-1 Makeup Brush, Estate Cosmetics Precision Felt Tip Liquid Eyeliner, and the Stila Huge Extreme Lash Mascara. Now that we've unboxed everything, let's try out all of the products we received. First, I'm going to test out this Saturday Skin Bright Eye Cream. I really like the packaging on this one. This is infused with yuzu fruit, which delivers 3 times the vitamin C of any other citrus. It also contains active vital complex and niacinamide. Next, I'm applying the Yensa Tone Up Primer. This is powered by 8 Super Blacks Essence. It's supposed to help minimize the appearance of pores, fine lines, and wrinkles. This would be really nice to wear alone because it has a bit of pigment to it as well. Now I'm trying out the Alleyoop Multitasker 4-in-1 Makeup Brush. This packs all of your essential beauty applicators, concealer sponge, blush brush, brow brush, and eyeshadow brush in one easy tool. Wow, this would be amazing for travel. The bristles are super soft. Next, I'm applying the Estate Cosmetics Precision Felt Tip Liquid Liner. This is an ultra-fine felt tip liquid eyeliner. It claims to not skip, tug, feather, smudge, or run. It's very black and matte. Finally, I'm applying the Stila Huge Extreme Lash Mascara. This is supposed to deliver major volume, length, lift, and intense black color. Here's the finished look using products from February's Boxycharm. Let me know your thoughts on this month's box in the comments below, and as always, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.